And of course, you know Keitani, and you know Majima.
Agikidra Ndeto ino, Ogallo aigite borithi ni marethana na ekinaĩ ucio na kwirira aikari ya Marsabit thirikari ndikuhuthiriria hari kugacirithia ugitiri wa mwena ucio kuona aikari ni makoretwo magithenio na kuywo kwa mahiũ mao.
As it is, the government will unshakably carry out its constitutional responsibility of protecting lives and property of Kenyans.
Akiaria wabici-inĩ yake, Ogallo aigite thirikari ni ikuoya ikinya ria gucarania na matharaita maria marahuthika gutabania wĩkinaĩ thutha wa thiku mugwanja angikorwo andu matigukorwo maheanite matharaita macio kuri borithi.
After the 7 days lapses, we'll have no compromise. We'll remove all our gloves and we are going to sanitize the entire area of illegal arms in whatever form that is possible.
Ogallo ni ongereire ati thirikari ni gutigirira ugitiri ni wonekana kuri ya Kenya hamwe na indo ciao na gucarania na matharaita macio ni gukunina uragani na woici wa mahiũ mwena ucio wa Marsabit kuona thirikari ni ongereire namba ya borithi aria megutigirira ugitiri ni wonekana matũra-inĩ matiganĩte.
And to assure all the citizenry of Eastern region that this committee will stop at nothing to ensure, as per the Constitution, that their lives and properties are protected so that they can carry out their aspirations as citizens of this country.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Ngetwo Waithira wa Kihara.